Hi everyone, I'm Jen, also known as the Keto Goddess, and I'm sitting on my living room floor because life has certainly changed since the last time I made a video. If you can hear some kids' music in the background, it's because my little son, who is right here, 20 months old, has entered my world, and it's been absolute whirlwind. But a constant through this whole change has been that I have drank ketones every single day for 5 years. It might even be more than 5 years at this point. And so it has been an absolute staple in my life to have sustained energy, to cut through that brain fog that happens, especially with motherhood and through pregnancy, right, little monkey? And now postpartum, getting myself back into the motivation and into the shape that I was previously, and maybe even better shape than I was before. So this is not by any means a weight loss supplement, friends. This is simply pure therapeutic ketones, bioidentical to ketones that you can produce endogenously within your body, but you're taking them exogenously outside of your body. Your body always uses the most easily absorbed energy source. So if you're drinking ketones, your body will use those first, and it usually lasts for 3 to 5 hours, depending if you're doing a low-carb lifestyle or not. So I'm here to chat with you a little bit about something new that came out that I'm going to be starting tonight. Super pumped about it. You may know about our Reboot kit, which is 60 hours of nutrient-supported ketophagy, which is like autophagy for your body, but supplementing with ketones and ketone products. So why we say ketophagy versus autophagy? Yeah, that is fake grapes, my love. I'm going to be talking to him the whole time because I wanted to come real to you instead of this forced, contrived, like motherhood is as real as you get it, friends. So let's chat. 24-hour fast. This is what this product is called, okay? It's a new product out from Prüvit. That's why it is in this plain white mystery bag. However, the products within it are tried and true and amazing. And I'm going to walk you through what you do. Simply put, a lot of people do intermittent fasting and find great success, but especially for any type of body, we want to have that additional nutrient support, supporting the vitamins, amplifying your ketones, a little bit of bone broth for the added collagen and benefits. I'm going to walk you through what this is and a cool product called Signal OS that is actually going to help to protect your DNA down to the cellular level, the telomeres at the end, the caps at the end of your DNA strand. So it's like a prolonging your life and anti-aging property. So what you do essentially is you finish your last meal. It says between 3 and 5 p.m. on a Sunday. You can come on over here. Hold on, guys. You can meet Anthony. Here he is. This is my why. This is my everything. Look at the camera and say cheese. Cheese. All right, so let's walk you through. So you finish your last meal, whatever you eat. It says usually between 3 and 5 p.m. If you finish it later, like I am tonight, then you just have to remember 24 hours from the last bite you put in your mouth is going to be the next time you eat the next day, 24 hours, okay? But what you will do is finish your last meal. And then within that evening, so tonight, you're going to be taking 1 Keto OS Nat Light. Let me share with you what that looks like and why it's different than the normal ketones, okay? Look, Anthony. Keto OS Nat Light. This is caffeine free. It's orange sun, exactly. So he's gonna hold them all and demonstrate. Nat Light is a new product as well. I'm sorry, it's caffeine free. And the reason for this is that it's actually parent approved and children can take it as well. But we're doing caffeine free in a small dose just to boost up the ketones, help with better quality sleep, and help to get you prepared for the next evening. So we're doing a small dose of that. We are also going to be taking the Signal OS PM version versus AM version. So PM version is to optimize your sleep. And like I said, it helps with protecting and optimizing your DNA. So you take these tablets as well. Are you eating it? Oh my goodness. You wake up the next morning, you can have plain black coffee, but nothing in it, folks. Okay, this is different than the Reboot where we don't do any coffee, but you can have plain black coffee. It will not break your fast, okay? Anthony, did you throw that out? Can I have it, please? Bring it over. I think he threw out the mitoplex. Hilarious. I'm going to do it in one cut. Can I see? Oh, bring that over, please. All right, hold on. I was correct. He threw out the mitoplex. So, thank you. Let me see the ball. Can you throw it? Catch. Wait, let's do catch. Let's do catch, guys. Okay, ready? Hands out. Ah, future MLB star. This is what you got to do. Get it. Bring it back, Anthony. Bring it back. All right, so night one we have figured out, okay? We take 1 Keto OS, not light, and the Signal OS pills. Awesome. The next morning you wake up and you're going to want a little boost in your steps. So you take the charged Keto OS Nat. I have the raspberry lemonade, one of the signature flavors here. Clients love it. It's absolutely amazing. It's been a staple throughout. So you're going to want to take this, and paired with that, we're taking our Signal OS AM. So this will actually help to boost your morning and get all the nutrient support that you need throughout. Midday, noon, okay? You're starting to get those pangs of hunger, right? Right, Anthony? You know when you're hungry and you want to eat? He's playing with some little fluffy balls, so maybe not. But I know when he gets hungry, I know when you get hungry, you get angry. You get hangry like mama does, right? So what you're going to want to do at that point is take your better broth. Okay, it is bone broth infused with ketones, collagen, fermented leucine. It is fantastic. It also has CMAD 100 to help protect that DNA that you want. Whoa, he's blocking the camera because he's amazing and he wants my attention. Do you want to hold that for me? Bone broth? Bone broth, exactly. And at this point, we're also going to be taking the citrus mitoplex. So mitoplex is phenomenal. It took 4 years to put together by the team at Prüvit, the scientists, and the reason being is that it has a ton of electrolyte support specifically for ketosis, okay? So we're going to be supplementing a lot of our magnesium, potassium, sodium, and other phenomenal, I think vitamin K, vitamin D, all in there within one little packet. And that used to be flavorless, but they're actually including a citrus flavor. We now have some background noise courtesy of Anthony playing the organ back there. So listen, we've made it past noon. We're trying to stave off that hunger, keep our body nutrient supported. We're almost at the home stretch here. We're almost at the 24 hours. Around 3 to 5 p.m., or whatever time it is that you finish eating the night before is when you're going to eat. And now what you're going to have is 4 to 6 ounces of protein paired with a cup of vegetables. You're going to ease yourself back into it. Throughout this time, we are helping to promote autophagy. Autophagy means literally eating of the self. Sounds crazy, but we are helping to cleanse our cells down to the DNA level while supporting our body throughout. What I love about this is it's a very inexpensive system. I mean, you are getting 5 different types of products here, all with ketones and the mitoplex, phenomenal. And I believe it is retailing for like $40 Canadian, 30 something US. And you can do this every single week if you wish. You can infuse it once a month. Really, honestly, it is truly as you need it, but you feel like it's not going to be something that's going to be detrimental to your body. It's not going to be too harsh. It's just a little reset metabolically, and you know that you are supported with phenomenal products. I don't put anything in my body, or I try not to, that I don't research and that I haven't actually tried myself. So I'm super stoked to start it out. Stay tuned for some updates, but that is the 24-hour fast. I hope you liked our video. Anthony and I are going to finish off our night, and I'm going to get started.